Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about how to practice English by talking about weather. At first, you can describe the weather in English daily. Example, today's weather is very hot, it is sunny, or it is raining, the wind is strong, the air is cool and fresh, etc. Use short and simple sentences, then add more. But you need to practice regularly. Repeat sentences every day for fluency. Gradually make longer and descriptive sentences. And talking about weather is simple and improves your English every day naturally. Thank you so much for watching.